Here I have TOSCIDO X109, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly you have to open Files application, then you have to select what files you want to transfer. You can transfer downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, and also apps. So let's transfer, for example, some image. For example, let's transfer this photo and this one too. Then tap here, select if you want to copy or if you want to move these images. I want to move them. Then tap continue, allow access to SD card, allow, and after that these two images will be transferred to SD card. And now we can find them here in the download folder, and here they are. And from here we have our images on SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.